Hi everyone, what is something super simple that you could add to your garden that would not only be functional, but also provide a long-lasting memory that makes you smile every time you go out into your garden? Not only will it provide a cosmetic appeal to your garden, but it also gets your kids, grandkids, nieces and nephews, or any kiddos in your life involved in your family's gardening adventure. Super simple addition is stepping stones. Not only are they functional, but it provides a memory to look back upon every time I see them. This one in particular was made by my son earlier this year. He decorated himself and he had so much fun doing it in the process. We definitely plan to keep making these each year with our children. My kids love running through the garden when we are working in here. So I thought, what better way to have them hop across this bed than to make personalized stepping stones for them to use. They love to hop from the rocks to the stepping stones and into the other side of the rocks and back and forth, and they will do that for a pretty long time. This way my children can play alongside me when I don't have to worry about them stepping on my plants, especially when they don't see the freshly planted seeds. It keeps them out of the dirt and provides a great memory for me to have for many years to come. Now these are spaced exactly about 30 inches apart, and this is obviously for my rows of planting that I do in the fall and the spring. Now these are super simple to make. I wouldn't really do a tutorial on how to make these, but it does not take much material or really any effort to make them. All you really need is some stepping stone cement, which I'll post a link to the one we get in the description below. You need a little stepping stone template, which are pretty cheap and they're reusable and they last a long time. Some items for decorating your stepping stones, which you can get at any kind of craft store or on Amazon. And of course, you're gonna need your little feet or your little hands from your kiddos on the stepping stone. I hope this video gives you an idea of creating stepping stones to make your garden a little more personalized. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.